What's going on, gang, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can do a tape stop effect in Ableton. So let's get right into this. Alright guys, so we're going to be looking at two different ways that you can do the tape stop effect in Ableton. The first way is going to be the best way, but it's going to require you to have a certain version of Ableton. So if you have the free version, it's probably not going to work for you. So if you go into your Max for Live here, if you click on this Max for Live, and then you go right down here to this link where it says Get Max for Live Packs at Ableton.com, you want to click that link and go to that website and then log into your account. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down until you find this Max for Live Essentials pack. And this is the one that you're going to want to grab. So you're going to download this pack. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your downloads and you're going to double click on it. And it's going to automatically insert it into Ableton for you and you're good to go. So it's going to end up showing in your packs folder, but this is going to open up automatically when it loads into your Ableton. And this is what it is right here, this Max for Live Essentials. So you can go into your Max Audio Effects, you can go into the pitch drop right here, and you can go ahead and grab this pitch drop, and then you can throw it onto your master chain. So this is what it looks like right here, and let's play the beat so I can show you guys how it works. Okay, so you get an effect just like that, and you don't have to click the button for it to work. You can modulate that. So if we wanted to do something, let's find a good spot to put it though. Maybe like right there. So what we can do is we can go down to this pitch drop and we can go to the drop activate right here. And then we're gonna modulate that up and down. So let's do that really quick. So maybe we want it to be like right here. So we can do something like that. Now let's see, let's make sure this is gonna work though. Okay, so it's that simple. And then you can play with the drop duration and all these different settings to get it like that. You can do a soft or a sharp kind of a drop. And you can play with those different settings, but that's literally how simple it is when you grab that. So if you don't have that version of Ableton and you're using maybe a free Ableton or one of the basic packages, there's another way you can do it, which isn't as nice, but let's take a look at that right now. Okay, so for this trick to work, you're gonna wanna make sure that your track is done and already exported and ready to go because we're gonna need to use it as an audio file. This is only gonna work on an audio file, so you can't put it on the master because the master isn't an audio file. But let's say you have your track completely finished, you can bring it into a new live set just like this. Let me grab a finished track here. So I'm just gonna slide this in. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna need to make sure that your track is warped. And then you wanna click on the clip here and the transposition. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to scroll up and down until you can find it in here. And then we're gonna mess with the transposition in here. So what we're gonna do is find the spot where we want it to be. And maybe we want it to be like right here. And then we're just going to pull this all the way down. Maybe we'll put it down to like -17 or something like that. -20, doesn't really matter. And there you go, you have a tape stop just like that. And you can mess with how far you want it to go down. But I would probably go down a little bit farther than that because as you can see, it didn't give really the full effect of it. So you might want to play around with exactly how far you want it to transpose, but as you're seeing, it's really that easy. You could even mess with the curve by holding Control or Alt down. It's going to give you this little half circle right here on your right next to my mouse, and then you could even, you know, fade it in or out a little bit if you want to do that as well. So that's the other way that you can do it. Now, there's probably other plugins out there, they might even be free, that can do it. I know you can do it in Grossbeat, for example, but there might be some free ones out there that do it, but these are the two easiest ways to do it in Ableton. So smash that like button if you guys like this one. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading daily videos that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.